森林動物數學大比拼系列8平面圖形知多少？作者方曉璇女士、朱啟華博士，插畫方曉璇女士，編審陳敏儀女士。
Mathematical Competition of Forest Animal Series 8. Do you know the plane graphics? Authors: Ms. Fang Xiaoxian, Dr. CHU, Samuel KW. Illustrator: Ms. Fang Xiaoxian. Editor-in-Chief: Ms. Helen Chan. English Editor: Ms. Alexia Ritkowski.
這本書是森林動物數學大比拼系列的故事書之一，閱讀對象是9至11歲的小學生。作者是受到 Stuart J. Murphy 的 Mathstar 數學故事書的啟發。平面圖形是小學生必須掌握的知識，因為這是數學幾何的重要基礎。這本書的故事情節能幫助學生在生活中發現數學，運用數學知識解決生活中的小疑問。這個系列書籍希望能為學生提供有意義和有趣的學習數學的方法，希望學生在讀完之後能夠發現數學的美麗和熱愛數學學習。
Author's words. This book belongs to a series of storybooks in the mathematical competition of forest animals. The readers are primary school students aged between 9 and 11. The authors are inspired by Stuart J. Murphy's MathSmart storybooks. Plane graphics is compulsory knowledge for primary school students, as it is an important foundation for mathematical geometry. The storyline of this book helps students discover mathematics in real life and enables them to apply mathematics knowledge in their everyday problem solving. This book series provides students a meaningful and enjoyable way to learn mathematics. We hope that students can discover the beauty of mathematics and love mathematics learning after reading these books.
角色介紹：小豬、小狗、小雞、小兔子、長頸鹿。
Introduction of roles: Piggy, Puppy, Chick, Bunny, Giraffe.
今天的數學課是學習平面圖形。
Today's math class was all about studying plane graphics.
想一想，同學們請想一想，你們都學習過哪些圖形？它們分別有怎麼樣的圖形特點呢？正方形、長方形、圓形和三角形的特點有哪些呢？
長頸鹿老師說，平面圖形的基礎很重要，同學們要好好掌握呢。
Think about it. Please think about what graphics you've studied. What kind of graphic features do they have? What are the characteristics of a square, rectangle, circle, and triangle?
Teacher Giraffe said, "The foundations of plane graphics are very important. You should master them."
正方形，四條邊都相等，四個角都是直角的四邊形。長頸鹿老師拿出一張正方形的白紙，然後介紹正方形的特點。
Square. 4 sides are equal, and all 4 corners are right-angled quadrilaterals. Teacher Giraffe took out a piece of square white paper and introduced the characteristics of a square.
長方形，對邊相等，四個角都是直角的四邊形。長頸鹿老師拿出一塊長方形的木板，然後介紹長方形的特點。
Rectangle. The opposite sides are equal, and the 4 corners are all right-angled quadrilaterals. Teacher Giraffe took out a rectangular wooden board and then introduced the characteristics of a rectangle.
圓形，圓形有無數條半徑和無數條直徑，而且同一個圓形外半徑長度永遠相同。長頸鹿老師拿出一個圓形的盤子，然後介紹圓形的特點。
Circle. A circle has a countless radii in diameter, and the radius length of the inner circle of the same circle is always the same. Teacher Giraffe took out a round plate and then introduced the characteristics of a circle.
三角形，由3條線段圍成的圖形，內角和是180度。長頸鹿老師拿出一把三角形的尺子，然後介紹三角形的特點。
Triangle. A figure surrounded by 3 line segments. The sum of the internal angles is 180 degrees. Teacher Giraffe took out a triangular ruler and then introduced the characteristics of a triangle.
找物品。
長頸鹿老師說，下課了，請同學們回家找任意一種圖形的物品，下節課帶回來分享。
Find objects.
Teacher Giraffe said, "Class is over. Please go home and find a graphic object. Bring the object to class next week to share with the other students."
小豬的家， 正方形的箭子，四條邊相等且四個角都是直角。小豬回家後，拿了一個正方形的箭子。
Piggy's house. A square cushion has 4 equal sides, and all 4 corners are right angles. When Piggy got home, he found a square cushion.
小狗的家，長方形的書，對邊相等且四個角都是直角。小狗回家後，拿了一本長方形的書。
Puppy's house. A rectangular book has equal opposite sides, and all 4 corners are right angles. When Puppy got home, he found a rectangular book.
小兔子的家，圓形的凳子，有無數條半徑且長度相同。小兔子回家後，拿了一個圓形的凳子。
Bunny's house. The round stool has a countless radii in diameter. When Bunny got home, he found a round stool.
小雞的家，三角形的木塊，有3條邊而且3個內角之和為180。小雞回家後，拿了一個三角形的木塊。
Chick's house. A triangular block with 3 sides, and the sum of the 3 internal angles is 180. When Chick got home, he found a triangular wooden block.
平面圖形課，
我找到正方形的箭子，
我找到圓形的凳子，
我找到三角形的木塊，
我找到長方形的書。
第2天上課的時候，小動物們互相介紹自己帶來的物品。
Plain graphics class.
I found a square cushion.
I found a round stool.
I found a triangular wooden block.
I found a rectangular book.
In class, the next day, the animals introduced the objects they had brought from home.
大家對幾何圖形都掌握得不錯呢。長頸鹿老師說，大家的物品都找得很好，表現得很棒。
Everyone has a good grasp of geometric figures. Teacher Giraffe said, "You all found great objects. Good job, everyone."
連一連，請配對小動物和它們所找的物品。在這些幾何圖形當中，請圈出你最喜歡的圖形。
Link together. Please match the animals with the object they brought to school. Among these geometric figures, circle your favorite figure above.
練一練，想一想，你的生活中有哪些圖形可以和你的同學分享呢？請發揮你的想像力，把想到的物品寫在紙上，然後和同學分享。
長頸鹿老師說，通過尋找生活中的物品，可以幫助同學們輕鬆地掌握幾何圖形知識呢。
Have a practice. Think about what graphics there are in your life. Share with your classmates. Please use your imagination and write down the items you can think of. Then share them with your classmates.
Teacher Giraffe said, "By searching for objects in your life, you can easily master the knowledge of geometric figures."
拼圖遊戲，如果要將以下這些幾何圖形拼成一座橋，幫助小動物們過河，你會怎麼拼呢？總共有1個正方形、2個三角形和3個長方形。
Puzzle game. If you were to put the following geometric figures together to form a bridge, how would you put them together? There are 1 square, 2 triangles, and 3 rectangles in total.
下面的拼圖是其中一個例子，你們又是怎麼拼的呢？請和身邊的人分享一下。提醒：拼圖的時候需要考慮橋的穩固性和安全性。
The following puzzle is an example. How did the students put it together? Please share with those who are around you. Reminder: the stability and safety of the bridge needs to be considered when assembling the puzzle.
祝賀同學們，這本書是森林動物數學大比拼系列的最後一本書。你已經讀完這個系列的8本書，恭喜你！和小動物們一起畢業啦！恭喜同學們，你們真棒！
Congratulations, students! This book is the last book of the mathematical competition of Forest Animal Series. You have finished all 8 books of the series. Congratulations! Graduating with the animals. Congratulations to the students. You are wonderful.
現在請跟老師一起朗讀以下詞語。
Now, Please read aloud the following words with the teacher.